week.
With surveillance photos identifying the suspects in Boston and, of course, thermal imaging leading us to the final capture, technology plays a bigger role in law enforcement than ever before.
Drone technology could have enhanced those processes. Still, it is shaky ethical ground.
So WHNT News 19's David Kumbrock tonight dives into the ethical quandaries of using drones for law enforcement.
It turns out to be just very complex.
That's the best way to sum up drone ethics. It comes from UAH's philosophy chair, William Wilkerson. He sees two conflicting philosophies butting heads in the drone debate.
There's two senses of security at work here, right? There's security from government surveillance and intrusion that's enshrined in the Fourth Amendment, and then there's security from harm. And finding that balance point is very, very difficult, especially in the world since 9/11.
Using drones could have more quickly identified suspects, but the practice might have also helped during the ensuing manhunt. For example, law enforcement cleared many homes in person, exposing them to great individual risk. A drone might have picked up the thermal imaging earlier and led to the suspect more easily, reducing the chances of a surprise attack on members of law enforcement. So if drones could cut the risk for law enforcement officers, do ethics obligate their superiors to use them?
In some cases, it would be more safe, and so probably more ethical, based on, a minimizing harm principle. But minimizing harm principles are not the only principles that we use in deciding ethics, right? We also use principles that are based strongly on the notion of individual rights, and those trump questions of harm.
And that's the bottom line with drones. There's no black or white, yes or no answer.
Being able to establish right and wrong is a very difficult thing to do. It's not as easy as people think. And thinking that there are always going to be clear lines is one of the grave mistakes I think we typically make in our ethical thinking.
And while these debates may seem to only soar through the ether, we're seeing how they impact real people on the ground. David Kumbrock, WHNT News 19.
Wilkerson says the debate over drones is a natural successor to the debate over privacy that followed the passing of the Patriot Act.